Why is there a paper? Oh yeah, right. There's a thunderstorm and I don't know why. Let's see the paper, the fairy hunter paper again. This is part 2 of the fairy hunters take over. On May 17th, Saturday, we will take over. We will take over the Thunder Fairies' power, and we will chill on that day, and make this and catch more fairies. No, it's not happening. Other fairies, be safe, because we aren't. Oh my God, dude, the wind fairy, and they took over some wind fairies. I saw on the paper too, but still, I'm staying here. You know. Go. But I wonder what will happen if the fairy. What will happen if a fairy hunter tries to kill? We can't let that happen. I need us to do something quick. Oh my God! I do see a fairy hunter coming close. Well, no, that's just my imagination. It's probably a fairy hunter trap right here. Get out. Fairy trap. Ugh. Yeah. But I know I might be a beginner fairy, but I'm trying very good. Came down. Fairies, wind fairies and thunder fairies, stay safe, and other fairies who are watching this, please try to do something about this. Yep. Just stay safe and don't get caught. Thunder fairies and wind fairies, stay safe. Other fairies, please help us. Bye.